Can I tell you why I think Generation X has such a hard time starting their lives over? I don't think it's because we're lazy. I don't think it's because we're scared. We're not. I think it's because nobody really taught us how. We were the generation that learned to suck it up. Don't you complain. Don't you cry. I'll give you something to cry for. Go to work, take care of your kids, take care of your spouse. That's what we did. Take care of your parents, take care of everybody else, pay the bills. You just got to keep going. For decades and decades. It's what we did, probably what we're still doing. Somewhere along the way, forgot there was another person that we were supposed to take care of. Yourself. Think about it. How many people in their 40s, 50s, even 60s wake up one day after a divorce, after getting sober, after the kids are gone, after you retire, if you're lucky enough to be able to do that, or after a health scare, suddenly they're asking themselves, who am I now? Nobody ever showed us the book to read to answer that. Our identity was built on taking care of everybody else. When that role disappears, you have no idea what you're doing, where to stand, who you are. You still feel guilty if you spend money on yourself. You feel selfish if you tell somebody no. You feel weak if you need some help. You feel like you're failing if you got to start over. Here's what I've learned. Starting over is not failing. It's admitting that you're still alive. Admitting that you still believe that tomorrow will be better than today. I'm 57. I've had to start over more times than I'm gonna tell you. After divorce, after my sobriety caved in, after my health was completely gone, after driving people away I love, including my kids, that I wish I could take back those mistakes. And every single time I discovered something important. Nobody's coming to rescue me. I had to become the person that I was trying to be for everybody else. For myself, the encourager, the protector, the one who believed. Only this time, I finally gave those things to me. Maybe that's a lesson that we need now. Maybe we've needed it all along, Gen X. It's okay to take care of yourself. It's okay to build a life that brings you peace. It's okay to start over. No matter how old you are, because your story's not over till you decide it's over. And if you're ready to start over and you don't want to do it alone, type I'm in so I can see you. Send me a DM. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. If you're interested in knowing what that is, send me a DM. I'll explain it to you. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.